This is my full review of the new Huawei Nova Y90. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. This Huawei Nova Y90 is just recently launched here in Dubai last month with a price of 799 dirhams. Now let's talk about what are the cool features and full specifications of this device. Let's start with the design. Actually, I like the design of this phone. It has a plastic frame in both corners, plastic back as well, but it has a glitter sand texture that is anti-fingerprint, and this tree color is an eye-catching, especially the emerald green. All colors are matte finish design. At the right side, here is the power button along with the fingerprint, and it's quite fast while unlocking this device. And volume rocker as well. And at the bottom, there are Type-C charger, speaker grill, microphone, and SIM tray with dual SIM, but unfortunately no SD card expansion. And another microphone and 3.5 jack at the top. Now, if you are looking for a phone with less price with a good display, this Nova Y90 is one of it. You will never be disappointed because it used IPS LCD panel with Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels, and the good thing, it has 90Hz refresh rate, which is super smooth while you're browsing some content and especially playing games. You can enjoy your game experience with the help of 90Hz refresh rate. Now let's move on to the performance of this Huawei Nova Y90. It is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 6nm CPU with 8 cores, which is 4 cores for 2.4 GHz and 4 cores for 1.9 GHz, and with Adreno 610 GPU, which is great as well for a mid-ranger smartphone. It has 8GB of RAM and 128 dedicated internal storage. And I played some of the heavy games like Asphalt 9, PUBG, and Mobile Legend, and it's run smooth. So this CPU is decent enough to play all this game in the long run. So let me know your comments down below. What is your opinion? So playing games in high refresh rate is mostly consume the battery of your phone. But no need to worry, this phone is equipped with 5000 mAh battery, which can last up to a whole day. And if your phone almost dead, you can charge it with 40 watts fast charging. And Huawei claimed that it can charge in 50% of battery juice in just a matter of 30 minutes as advertised. And now finally, let's talk about the camera. Huawei called it Space Ring camera system with symmetrical design. It is equipped with 50 megapixel main lens with f1.8 aperture with face detection autofocus, a 2 megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture that you can shoot more closer to the object up to 4 cm, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture for portrait photos. At the front, it has a punch hole camera with 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture that you can record full HD video at 30 frames per second. I have a sample photos and videos here, so check it out guys, and leave your comment down below if you like the photos. So basically, it is depend on your personal preference. So guys, what do you think of this new Huawei Nova Y90? And if you like the video, consider subscribing to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.